All right, so we're still working on multiples of 100. And yesterday we did adding. So, yep, today we're going to subtract. So you will start with a number. And so I'm going to write us a problem so we know what we're starting with. And we're going to start with, let me get a color. Let's start with 456. Okay, so we have 456 and we are going to subtract a multiple of 100, and a multiple means more than one. Okay, so we're going to subtract. Let's do 300. How about that? That is definitely more than 100. So that is 3 100s. So we're going to start with 456 and we are going to subtract 300. So as always, first I want you to visualize in your brain. What does 456 look like if I was to build it with my base 10 pieces? Okay, so how many hundreds? How many tens? How many ones? Did you get that in your head? Okay. So if you look in that first number that we said there was 400. So that means we have 4 100 pieces. We're subtracting 300. That means 3 100 pieces. So how many of those would be left? Okay. Did we mess with the tens or the ones in that case? You're right, we didn't. So how much would be left if we started with 456 and we took away 3 of those hundreds? Did you get that answer in your head? All right, let's check ourselves. So here we go. We're going to build it. So let's build our 400. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our 400. Now I'm going to do the 56. So that means I got to have some tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay, so that was my 50. And now I got to do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have our 400 up here, our 50, and then the 6. That makes our 456. And now we're going to subtract 300. Do you already have an answer in your head? Are you already seeing what's going to happen here? Okay, so we're going to take away 3 100s because that's what this means. So I'm going to take that one away. That's 100. I took away 200. And I took away 300. So what's left? Well, let's look at what we have left. Let me get a pen. So this is worth, this is worth 100. Okay. Let's count our tens just to make sure. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we got 50 here. We didn't change the tens apparently. And then let's count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We didn't change them. So we have a 100, a 50, and a 6. So what did we have left? That's right, 156. Okay, so your assignment is kind of doing the same thing. You're going to have a link to these base 10 pieces, and you will have your equations to work on. So visualize first. What does that number look like? Okay, visualize what it would be if you subtracted that multiple of 100. And then check yourself with the base 10 pieces. And then again, as always, you click on the blue box and then you can type your answer there.